Hi, I'm Sohail Anwar, and I'd like to welcome you to the Excel Online Summit for 2019. For the next 5 days, we've got insight-packed sessions with some of the best and brightest in the world of Excel. They're going to be sharing all of their knowledge, tips, wisdom, tricks, everything that they have learned en route to becoming successful users of Excel in some capacity. Now, we've got bloggers, we've got YouTubers, we've got trainers, we've got freelancers, consultants, and professionals. We've got a real mix of amazing people, and each session is just going to bring so much to you. I'm totally confident about that. Now, before I'll tell you a little bit more about the summit, but I just want to pause for a second. The reason that I arranged and organized this summit was it was primarily, obviously, just to bring the community together, but also I thought it's an opportunity to do some fundraising, and the particular cause of choice is one of my favorite charities. It's called VSO International. That's a volunteer support organization international, and they do an incredible job of bringing volunteers to help third world countries, specifically around education, health, and just community issues. Now, there's going to be links, and every day I'll email you about what's happening in the summit, but I'll also just give you a bit more information about VSO and just encourage you to donate. It's totally free, the summit, by the way, but it's just voluntary if you do wish to. Now, I do want to incentivize you to donate, make a donation if you can, even just £5. And the incentive is that what I'm doing is I'm compiling the best insights from each of the speakers of the summit, and I'm going to put together a PDF report which I'm aiming to get out by the 18th of December. And if you donate, just email me a receipt or some kind of proof, which I'll give you more information about, that you made a donation. And once I've produced that, I'll send the report onto you, or I'll give you a link on where you can download that particular report from. So back to the summit. Every day, I'm going to email you, as I mentioned, who's on each day, what each of the sessions are, and who'll be speaking and sharing. So definitely keep an eye on your inbox every day, and I'll give you a link each day that you can click through, and you can see all of those sessions. Now, the summit is going to be running from Monday the 9th today all the way to Friday the 13th, Lucky Friday. But the recordings will be available till the end of the year, so I want you to have a good opportunity to do that. Then I'll pack them away, and if you want to keep them, then what I'm saying is just make a donation, and you'll get the recordings. You can keep the recordings for life as well. So with that said, enjoy the summit, and if you have any questions, you can email me at support@earnandexcel.com, and just let me know how it's going, and let me know how much you're loving it and enjoying it. All the best. Speak to you soon. Bye.